Good boy. What's a doggy do? Doggy. What's a kitty cat? Oh, that's your way of saying kitty cat. What about the telephone? Good job. And we use pine nuts. That's Ricco's favorite treats. You like pine nuts, right? I know. Can you give us one more wave and a turn? One more turn. You're going to spin? Good job. Okay, again. What about the car? What's a car do? Vroom, vroom. Oh, no, but... Good job. You're so proud of yourself. Can we get some kisses? No, kisses. Can I get kisses? Kisses? You know the treats are in there, huh? Aw, thank you. Good job.